Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to update BIOS on ASUS motherboard. Check your exact motherboard model, sticker on the board or run misinfo32 in Windows. Now, download the latest BIOS from the ASUS support site, match model plus version exactly. Extract the BIOS file .cap or .rom to the root of F8032 formatted USB drive required. Here, enter BIOS by spamming del/F2 at startup or use Windows Advanced Startup and UEFI firmware. After that, go to the Advanced mode F7, select Tool and choose Easy Flash 3 Utility. Then, select Update via Storage Device and pick your USB drive plus BIOS file. Confirm the file name matches your board, do not power off during update. After auto reboot, re-enter BIOS to load defaults, press F5 and re-enable XMP/DOCP. Lastly, verify BIOS version in the main tab update complete. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.